Hello, everyone. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Educational Service, a service or a platform that has helped many students to score excellently in all their exams, both in maths, in physics, in chemistry, and in biology. And our results are as well displayed on the screen below. Now, we have 15 years of marathon experiences in producing good grades. And for students who are studying abroad and who are having issues with their assignments or projects, we are also very active in doing that for you. You can contact me, right, through this number displayed on your screen. Now, quickly, we're going to be talking about the three important fuel gases in chemistry. They are important in exam condition. And at the end of this video, you should know the differences in all of them and how they are formed. Quickly, the three fuel gases are producer gas, water gas, and C10 gas. Now, how are they formed? For producer gas, it is formed by passing stream of air over red hot coke, right? By passing stream of air over red hot coke, and the nitrogen is not touched. So the component of producer gas are nitrogen and carbon dioxide. And take note, the calorific energy that is involved here is very small compared to that of water gas. Because why? The component of producer gas contain nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is inert, right? It is non-combustible, and it has the greater amount here in this mixture, which is about 67% mixture, right? So let me give you the question here. The question here for producer gas are: you are passing stream of air, right? Stream of air over red hot coke. This is the red hot coke, which is a component of carbon, to give me CO plus what? N2. So when we balance it, we should be having two carbon here. Here should also be two carbon here. So these two components are what now? Are producer gas, right? Quickly, we move down to water gas and synthesis gas. Now, there is something unique about these two. And what is it? They both contain the same component. And the component are carbon dioxide plus hydrogen. Here too, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Now, the big question is, are they the same in terms of their product? Yes. Are they the same in terms of their reactant, or are they formed? The answer is no. So how then are they now made? Simple. Now, water gas is simply formed by passing steam over red hot coke at a temperature of about 1200 degrees Celsius. And this reaction is an endothermic reaction, which means heat is absorbed. As you can see from the equation here, which is passing steam, which is H2O, over red hot coke, which is carbon, at a temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius, to give me CO plus what now? H2, right? Which is now very balanced. Now, but the component of the synthesis gas, or the reactant that combines to form it, is simply methane, and passing it through steam, which would give me CO plus H2. So that when I balance it, here becomes 3, right? And it is now simply balanced, as you can see from the reaction below. But meanwhile, this occur at a temperature of 800 degrees Celsius, and the catalyst here is nickel, right? And this is simply all we need to know about the water gas, the producer gas, and the synthesis gas. Now take note, water gas produce a lot of heat because the two components that are formed from water gas are combustible. So a lot of it, meaning it has an high calorific value compared to the producer gas. And this marks the end of this particular video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all. Bye.